Hello everyone, I am back with a new video, and today the product I am going to review is Daikin inverter AC, which is 1.5 ton and it is 5-star rating. Now let's see the indoor and outdoor unit. The model I have purchased is FTKG50TV16U, and inside the box you will get a split AC indoor unit and mounting plate and one remote controller, 2 dry batteries. Then you will get warranty card and installation manual, operation manual, accessory filter, and other content includes e-waste guideline and fixing screw 9 number and capacity testing manual. Okay, the unit is manufactured in Nimrana district, Alwar, Rajasthan. And now the outdoor unit, you can see here the outdoor unit. The box contain split AC outdoor unit, gas pipe and liquid pipe, and it also has 4 core wires and tire wrap. Okay, this is also manufactured in Nimrana, Alwar, Rajasthan, and the total unit costed me around 43,000 Indian rupees, and they also told me that they will charge extra for the installation, that will be around 1200 to 1500 rupees. And it has suggested that you should keep the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius, okay, for optimal cooling. Now after installation I will show you the unit. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you is that the unit is manufactured in March 2020, this year only, and the outdoor unit is also manufactured in the same March 2020, this year. And here the refrigerant type is HFC32, that is R32, also called as R32. And here is the dimensions, you can see length, width and height. Okay, this is for the indoor unit, and for the outdoor unit you can see here. Okay, length, width and height. Okay, if you have any complaint you can email at cs@daikinindia.com. okay, I'll show you after installation. Thank you. Well, this is how it looks after installation. Here you can see Daikin branding, and along with there is written inverter, that means it is an inverter AC. And below that you can see here this is the sensor. Let me give you a closer look. Here you can see the sensor. Don't get confused between the sensor and the temperature display unit. This is not the temperature display unit. Okay, in this model there is no temperature display unit. And below that you can get LED lights. That means if you switch it on and switch it off, then it will blink. And below that there is an on and off switch. You can switch it on manually. Okay, you don't need a remote for that if you want it. Okay, here you can see the power saving guide, and as you can see there is a 5-star rating. Okay, more the star, more savings, I mean more power savings. Okay, now the ISEER rating is 4.70. okay, and it is a split AC, and the brand is Daikin. The model is FTKG50TV16U, and year is 2020. Okay, and if you run this split AC in 100% cooling capacity, then it will require 5000 watt and for 50% cooling capacity it will require 2500 watt. Okay, now the electricity consumption is 824 units per year, and it is pretty less, I guess. And the compressor type is variable speed, and there is no heat pumping here. Okay, and the company suggested that you should run this split AC at 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then you can reduce the power bill by 6% if you run this AC at 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let us switch on the AC and see how it functions. Okay, it will take a little bit of time, so okay. Okay, cooling has started. Okay, now let's see the temperature here in the remote control. Now the temperature set is 24 degrees Celsius, and here you can see the different switches given in the remote control: fan and mode, then power chill, econo mode, temperature up and down, swing mode, and child lock, good sleep, and again swing mode, Quanda. There is a special function that is a Quanda mode, and there is timer, and one more switch is smell proof. Okay, let me give you a brief idea. Okay, as you can see in the display here, the display shows the fan is in the high speed. Okay, this is for the fan, and there are two swing mode, that is horizontally and vertically. It will swing horizontally and vertically, and it is now in cool mode. Okay, there are two more modes. Let me show you. Okay, this is the fan mode, this is the dry mode, this is again the cool mode. Okay, and there is a power chill function, which means if you need to cool the room immediately, I mean in a short period of time, so you need to go for the power chill mode. Okay, econo mode if you want to save electricity, and child lock, as you all know, if you have any kid or any child, so you need to press it. Okay, Quanda mode, let me show you how the Quanda mode function. Okay, this is how it functions. It will just go up, and one more thing I just need to tell you is that the symbols that are given in the remote control, I mean the symbol on the side of the fan. Okay, econo mode, this is the symbol, power chill mode, and swing, whatever you press it will show in the display. Okay, just need to understand that. And one more thing is that there is a smell proof function, which I believe is for the bacterial smell that comes, so it will remove that. Okay, and there is nothing much to say about it. I just told you the basic thing. Okay, if you need any details, then you can just go through the user manual that is given along with the AC. Okay, and yes, this is my first purchase of Daikin, from Daikin. I already have one Voltas AC, that is a non-inverter one. Okay, and this one is the inverter one. Okay, I have been using this AC from the past 1 month and it is performing very well. The cooling effect is very good, and the seller was suggesting me to go for a higher model, which was JTKG. Okay, and it was also 1.5 ton 5-star AC inverter model, and the difference of cost was around 10,000 to 12,000 rupees. Okay, and that model, the JTKG model, has two more features I find. That is, it will have a temperature display unit in the indoor unit, which this model doesn't have, and that model have a sensor which can sense the person's movement in the room. So thank you very much, friends, for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.